Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a scroll vertical shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I add a scroll vertical shape in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then click drawing option, then click plus new. Now you can see here are shape option. Click these shapes and go to callouts. Now you can see here are vertical scroll. Just press this scroll and draw this your scroll on here. Now I change this shape color. Go to shape fill option and choose your color. Then press save and close. Now you guys see I add a scroll vertical shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.